Welcome to Now in Android, a practical guide to Android design principles. In this series, we'll be using Now in Android to delve into best practices in Android development. Today, we'll be learning about modularization. Let's start with a review of software architecture. Software architecture, in a narrow sense, refers to the structure of the software. That is how we divide and combine the code. Up until now, we've looked at layered architecture. That is, the practice of dividing code based on function. From now on, we'll be learning about division from the perspective of modules, which are compilable units of code. Okay, here's the English translation of the Japanese text. So, why do we need to consider modularization? The official documentation lists 3 specific benefits of modularization. First, it allows you to share source code across multiple apps. This becomes possible by dividing the code into compilable units. Second, it enables strict visibility management. By modularizing, you can use internal keywords to restrict the access scope of classes and functions, etc. within a module. Third, it allows you to deliver features only under specific conditions. By leveraging Play Feature Delivery, you can deliver modules based on conditions such as country or API level. Beyond modularization, there are further advantages to dividing code. First, it minimizes the impact of code modifications. By minimizing the dependencies between divided elements, the scope of impact of modifications can be limited. Modularization also makes it easier to control visibility, which helps in dependency management. Second, consistency is maintained, allowing new members to work efficiently. A consistent partitioning policy makes sharing and learning easier. Third, it makes testing and bug analysis easier. Dividing the code allows testing limited to specific roles and also makes it easier to identify the scope of impact when a bug occurs. Let's review some important considerations regarding modularization one last time. Modularization is not mandatory. It involves a certain cost and requires knowledge. If you have a small code base that doesn't need the benefits we've discussed, you might not gain any advantage from modularization. Furthermore, even in large code bases, having modules that are too granular can be counterproductive. Excessive granularity can complicate the code, make it difficult to maintain consistency, and reduce readability. To maximize the benefits of modularization, it's crucial to adjust the granularity as your app grows.